We fixed the alternator, we fixed everything, and it's still having issues.
Feel the washers.
You feel the washers?
Yeah.
What does it feel like? Like, what's the difference?
Like, you're lucky to have speed bumps here either.
Oh. Welcome back, fam, to 2024, my first video of the year. Today we're gonna be doing like a recap of everything that happened last year. We basically went from not being able to drive the car to being finally outside and, you know, getting pulled over. It's okay, everything happens for a reason. And also, merch is dropping this Friday, the 12th. I have it in white and black. Go cop. It's gonna be available Friday. I still don't know the time, but I'll be posting on my YouTube community post and also on Instagram, so stay tuned. I hope you guys welcome the new year the right way, and yeah, let's get into the video. Never a day off with this car. It's not really because it's low. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's the car's fault. Professionals here, don't worry, we got this, we got this.
I think.
Fam, this is Brittany. Say hello to Brittany. Woo! Right, don't put them together. Once it's on, you can't put them, rub them together.
I got you.
You got a whole explosion. Oh wow, see, it died. Car turned on, and when we unplugged the positive from her car, it died. We're still having issues with the car turning on and staying on. We fixed the battery, as you guys know. In my previous videos, we fixed the alternator, we fixed everything, and it's still having issues. You know, I have the new wire harness, so why not just install? It's like green and rusted, and it looks like it's dead. Hopefully that is the issue.
Take the power?
It didn't die.
Huh?
It didn't die.
Yeah, but that don't mean shit. Take that.
I think I found the issue. There's some open wires. This is not good. You know what? I'm just gonna be halfway. Hopefully that is the issue. We're only going around the corner.
Make sure your camera didn't fall.
Okay, so far, once again, the battery light did not pop off.
Thank you for a test drive. You thought this was scary.
We figured out the issue. It was one of the fuses.
The whole time you would.
What do we see here? A big mistake. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in person you can see it here. So what happened was...
What was the reason?
When I lowered it, quarter panel landed on the wheels, so it buckled. When you're lowering a car, make sure your wheels are on tight and don't commit the same mistake as I did. This is the first time ever since I first got the car that I'm removing this bandana. It's so faded. So sad to see it go. Let me see it. Let me take a good look at it without the bandana. It's so dull, like really dull. Hopefully what I got makes it really shiny.
I would just pour it all over. You're gonna need the whole bottle for the hood.
This was like $20. Looks like we poured some oil on the car. Some lotion. It's looking good so far, and we just got started. I feel like my right arm is bigger than my left arm. I think we're gonna call it a day. I want to do the rest of the car, but we're gonna have to buy the hand tools. I told you guys we weren't playing this year. Come on. Today we're fixing something that you all love about my car. It's a heavy tip.
Not bad, honestly.
Pipe that I already have. I'm excited. It's been long awaited.
Yeah, I can see it. It's like halfway gone.
In the arms of the angel. How much does it weigh?
30 pounds?
Oh wow, that's convenient.
I'm about to see the tank now.
I thought it was just that.
For real.
It's like a bomb.
That's huge.
What did he say?
Fire.
Have an actual tip. That looks really nice. That looks good. I feel like I can go anywhere now. You want to go to Jersey? Yeah. We're breaking necks. Look at this guy. Let's switch seats, Brittany. I'm driving? You're driving. Really? Yeah. What? Wear your seatbelts, everyone. Wear your seatbelts. I'm sure you know, no AC. Yeah. Let's see. Is it full up? Not yet. It's only been like 2 seconds. How do you feel? I feel the washers. You feel the washers? Yeah. What does it feel like? Like, what's the difference? Like we're not even going fast yet. Oh.
You're lucky to have speed bumps here either.
Oh. Oh. Not bad.
I wanna go home.
That's crazy. We broke a lot of decks. I'm high. I'm like, no, I'm not high. My car's high. I raised it. My whole body fits under it.
Yeah, right. What was that?
I didn't see it. You know I'm pulling over.
Why?
Let's switch seats, Brittany.
Why?
You're driving.
I'm driving?
You're driving. This is like on the floor though. Like, you keep saying it's on the floor like it's on the floor. It is.
I like this ride. This is dope. I think you need to go down like 2 or 3. 3 in this side, 2 on this side, 3 on the other side.
Imagine I mess up your wrap.
Don't, please. It's already up.
Imagine I do the same color.
No. That was funny.
We're gonna lower it from here without removing the whole top hat. We're gonna try to like pull it down, compress it, and then take away the washers like that, and then, you know, bolt it back up. Grab a flathead, you know, and push it
Wait, but
with
wait.
all your force
Wait.
down.
You're ruthless.
Okay, now we remove the washers.
Go fast. Go fast.
Wait, I need to put it back down. I need more time.
Go fast.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Okay, so I removed 3 washers. Does it give a character? I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty tight. Might not be able to turn at all. This right here is touching the tire, so I would for sure need to cut that.
Much better.
Wow.
I think it looks good
We're
now.
done. We're done with this part. Let's go to the alignment shop. I really need some water. Hold on. Okay, let's just go. Woo! Camera, please stay up. Ooh, we're gonna have to cross over. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
You guys read the board?
Yeah.
Alignment?
Yeah. Missed it.
See, I see it now.
You see anything different about this car? One thing. One thing.
Yeah.
Oh, front toe is crazy.
Front toe is so crazy. Oh, the rear's not that bad.
So this is your car right now, I'm driving.
Oh my gosh.
The front's like this and the rear.
The rear we couldn't do it, and the front.
Let me tell you what happened. The tie rod that I have that they needed to help align the car, it was rusted and it was really corroded, so he couldn't really spin it. We're gonna have to do that separately by ourselves. We're gonna have to change the tie rod and then fix the alignment because all he can do was tow it in like this. It's just the inner and outer tie rod. It looks pretty easy. I got the mallet here and we're just gonna smack it right off. We don't need this.
Stephanie,
What? What? Go.
you didn't remove the bolt, buddy.
Basically, this nut was not moving. It looks like it's almost welded with it. Feels good to have a non-corroded, non-rusted tie rod. Look how beautiful it looks.
Going to Walmart to get people's reaction of my car.
That's how it is.
Yeah, the left side is broken.
No, I left it like that. I made it like this.
Really?
Yeah, that's how it drives.
Oh, okay.
We're going to be prepping my car finally for the wrap. We have the wrap. The wrap has arrived. Just to go over what needs some fixing because I'm for sure going to forget. Since we're keeping this bumper, we're gonna have to fix these scratches, basically sand it down. This fender is coming out. It's already off. I already took off all the bolts. This is the big boy we're talking about right here. I don't know how we're gonna fix it. Ah, look at that, guys. I didn't even need this. Okay. We definitely have to cover that. I'm pretty nervous. Today is the day I reveal to you guys the color of my car.
Oh, yo. Let's go, yo.
Oh, so I'm the first one who see the car?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
I wish you guys could see it. Oh, look at that. Wow. Internally crying. I'm internally crying. This is the hardest thing I've ever encountered, but it's creasing every time I lay it, so I have to do it little by little. So it's day 365. We finished all the bumpers and the lip and the side skirts. The side skirts were so easy. If you guys wrap, props to you. Take a look at it.
Hold on. Just let it match. That mad?
Wow.
The man back at it.
10 out of 10?
I'll give you a 9.
A 9? Camber is normal. The camber is just like any other car.
This is showroom.
Yeah, I had a 97 Civic that I lowered with,
Oh wow.
with some coilovers on
Nice.
it, and I just didn't go this far. I was afraid of how am I gonna turn?
Yeah, this is tight fitment, so like, I can't fully turn. I gotta like turn back up, turn back up. I gotta do like 50-point turns just to make that turn.
As long as you love it.
I know.
That's how it boils down.
That's
Why are the calipers like that? Why do you guys go on the calipers like that? Out
pink
like
calipers?
No, not pink, but why you guys bend them out like that?
Oh, just for the look.
Just the look.
What's the question?
This I do not understand.
You don't understand why we do it?
No. I know it's a fashion cool
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
But how does this work?
Everything's like
But
welded.
you lower it.
I lower it, yeah, but like the arms, the toe arms, everything is extended.
But how do they get the angle? How do you turn? When I park, I hit the front of
The curb?
Yeah, I hate
Oh
that.
my god.
What do you do? Because look how it's.
I can't go over the curb. I just stay either far away from it or because then the bumper's off if I do that. The bumper
you're
comes
like
off.
2, 3, 5, wait, like 4 inches. I'm like, Jesus.
That is going to conclude our recap of 2023. We're going to leave that year behind. Thank you all for being a part of that year and always giving me advices when I needed the advice in my comment section. Stay tuned for this year because it's not over yet. We're going to keep growing. We're going to keep dropping videos. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on my next video. And give this video a like, comment down below, and see you guys in my next video.